Upo na.
Oh my God, this is it finally! Finally! My biggest dream! Hi, Carl! To do parasailing!
Yes!
No, paragliding!
Paragliding!
Oh my God! This is it! That's Bagasbas Beach! This is so fun! Yes, it's very nice. Finally, I was able to make it here.
The lockout, you have to do that, but I count from 3 to 1. No, wait.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, lockout. Hard, pull out.
Woo! That's it! And I'm paragliding here in Daet. Woo! Guides Mike, thank you for this experience. This is it! Paragliding in Daet! Oh my God! That was it! Oh my God! Thank you, Carl! That was a dream fulfilled for me! That was a big adventure! Up in the air, it was so amazing! Oh my God, sorry!